Hi guys, welcome to my questions and answer video series. If you're a new gas engineer or working to become one, then this video is for you. I will challenge and expand your current understanding of boiler repair. Also remember to hit the bell and notification button to get the latest questions and answer videos so you don't miss out.
Today's video is on a Biasi M90 24S. Now I've been called out to this boiler and it's been kind of left in its condition what you've seen here. We didn't do this, that's how we found it. Anyway, the customer said the boiler stopped working yesterday, so we've got it here now. So we're going to find out what's going on. It's been turned off here on the spur switch underneath. I'm just going to turn it on. That's a diverter valve, you can hear activate. That's the actuator motor making that noise. It's just motoring down. I can hear the pump running. That's that noise there on the pump. Then it's now stopped. So let's have a look here. We've got a demand on. So it's on there. Let's look here. That's off, so let's turn it up. Nothing there, so let's see if there's a room stat on the system. We've had a look around and there's no room thermostat. So let's try the hot water. So we're going to open the hot water. It's activation. Diverter's moved. But we're not hearing nothing firing up, no fan. So looks like someone's removed the screws from the combustion cover. You can see the screws removed. I think the customer's had a go at himself. Do you think what I noticed as well? Looking at this flow switch, you can see it's got a bit of water in there, condensation. What I'm going to turn the pump back on and see if you can see that pin make that switch. No, it's not made a switch. It didn't, so what we'll do, we'll take this cover off and look inside it. I'm just going to pull this off here. It's barely on anyway. Get the clip off. Like that. So I'm just going to move these screws here and then check this switch. No. So I'm just removing the screws. Yeah, that's it. So you can see it's a bit damp inside there. So looking at that, that's all wet. So this switch could be damaged. So looking at this switch, this is the culprit. See that little black bit there, that should be down and that should click up. It's not moving. Here's another micro switch. This is what it should do. Hear that click? That's what it should be doing. So I'm going to do a bit of microsurgery and see if we can put this one here and take that lever off and put it on the other one. So that's what we're going to try and do. So I just want to show you something on this micro switch, which is the common. The common's the top one here, and then this one's normally open, this one's normally closed. So what we're going to do, we're going to connect here and here with the multimeter on compute it and see if we get a beep. So cameraman, you just connect these two, top one and the bottom one together. Yeah, so that's a beep. And then if you connect the top one, that one, no beep. But what'll happen now when I do that, then you'll get a beep. That's it. Yeah. So when that basically makes that switch, then you'll get a circuit. That's what it means. And when it's open, then that's open circuit.
Yeah, become more open circuit.
Yeah. So that's what that's not doing on the other side of the switch. So here, it's not doing that. Okay, so as I said, we're going to do some microsurgery and see if we can change. Take that lever off here and put it on the other switch. This gland nut here, that's been weeping, and that's what's gone into here, and that condensation, and then in turn, which is probably knackered the switch. So we're going to have to drain the boiler down and replace that, otherwise you're just going to repeat the same thing again. Now we're going to turn the boiler on and let's see what happens. Pump's going, fan's going, and we've got ignition. There we have it.
So guys, I have some questions to ask you on this Biasi boiler. The first one, on the microswitch assembly, what is the top connection called? The second question, what is the middle connection called? If you need to, you can pause this video to help you concentrate on the answers. The third question, what is the third connection called on the microswitch? Here's another question. How do you test if the microswitch is working correctly? Again, if you need to pause this video to help you concentrate on the answers, then please do so. And the final question, what is the purpose of the microswitch assembly? Please post your answers below this video. And one more thing, share this video with your fellow gas engineers.